how to report a missing Amazon package. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I would show you how you can report a missing Amazon package. Okay, so once you can, the first step actually is to log in into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in into your Amazon account, you report to the Amazon's home page. On this page, you can see the logo by the top left corner. You can see deliver to Nigeria. You can see other options as well. By the time you scroll down to, you'll see other products that you can get on Amazon. So once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see options like all today's deals, gift cards, buy now, customer service, and then click on the customer service option. So once you click on the customer service option, you revert to the home page, the customer service page. On this page, you can see home, you can see customer service. You just click on customer service, and then once that is done, you can now see the several options. You can see a delivery order or return, international shopping. You can see, so select the one that appeals to you. In this situation, you can either select a delivery order or return, or you can click on something else. But after clicking on delivery order and return, you can see the different, you can see the option being displayed. So you can search by product title, order number, date, department. If you don't see what you are looking for, contact us. So the next thing, since the package has been missing, just click on contact us, and then you can see the option available, which is to request a phone call. So you can just click on request a phone call now, and then you can now type in the number that you want them to use to call you. Click on call me now, and then once you're called, go ahead and make your report about your missing product or your missing package. As I will told, that is just how we can report a missing product by chatting or getting access to the customer service directly. And then once you're done chatting with them or calling them, you definitely get a response on what to do. So this is how you can report a missing Amazon package. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.